What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Simone. So for today's video, I am coming with y'all with a wig install. So I haven't done a wig install in a very long time. I think the last time I did one was like the beginning of last year. I wanted to have like a red wig for Valentine's Day, so I had got this wig from Amazon, and then I was like, I might as well just do a video to go along with it. This is an Amazon wig. You guys know that I love putting you guys on to wigs from Amazon because they actually do have a lot of good wigs. So this one will be in the link down below. I'll actually link it in my Amazon storefront as well, so you guys can access it from there, and also access any other wig that I had gotten from Amazon in my storefront also. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys basically how I installed this wig. And just like a little disclaimer, this is the frontal, but I didn't install the cap like I would normally do a frontal, so I glued it down like basically like a top part, basically how I would do a closure. I didn't do the side because my braids under here are really thick, so it's definitely time for me to wash my hair and probably just braid it down so that way it could be more flat. Not that it looks bumpy or anything, but it definitely would have had stayed down. So that's why the lace on the side, you guys can't really see, but right here is already lifting because it was so thick under here. Another thing too, I did kind of cut it a little too short right here, so that's why it kind of looks like you can see like a little bit of my hair right there. So that was a little mistake that I made. So be sure to continue watching to see how I installed this wig, and then I will also do like a full-on review, basically my thoughts on this hair and everything at the end of the video. So be sure to continue watching that. And also, if you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button. I definitely plan on making a lot more hair videos this year. I know last year I definitely pretty much just stuck to like fashion content, but this year I definitely want to get back to doing like wig installs or just things that are more hair related. Without further ado, we're just gonna get on right into it.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that name.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. Scattered, it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. My time with you. 5 minutes for me. She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything to her. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Drive it undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. If I need to talk, move around. Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down for the cause? You still down, you still down, you still down. Rock me slowly. I'm just like baby These days, these new girls, they got me nervous. They go to school and do bottle service. They can't decide, they keep switching majors. Being indecisive makes me anxious. Call your number and it's out of service. Who can I call for your information? What am I supposed to do after we done everything that we done? Who is your replacement? Are we still good? Are we still good? Are we still good? Are we still good?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, when your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone, when you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, where the justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, where the justice, put it in the song, alright. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Making sure my punctuation curve, heavy letter hits true. Living my life in the margin, and that metaphor was proof. I'm talking poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking in the mirror. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking for it, maybe. Call me crazy, we can both be insane. A fatal attraction is common, and what we have common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, and I can see power steering. Sex drive when you swerve, I want that interference. It's coherent, I can hear it. That's your heartbeat, it either caught me or it caught me. Read slow and you'll find gold mines in these lines. Sincerely, yours truly, and right before you go blind. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, where the justice, put it in the song.
Okay, so y'all have watched me install this hair, so now I'm about to pretty much just do like a quick little review or just quick thought. So overall, I would say this wig is really good. I mean, like quality and everything. I've had it on for a week. It didn't come pre-plucked, so I did have to, just come and just pluck it on the front part a little bit so it looks like a little bit more natural. And the hair itself though is really soft. I like the color. It can definitely hold a curl, and the hair just really like soft and bouncy, and I just really love this wig. And this wig was only $92.33 right now, so this is definitely a steal, and this is also 20 inches too. So maybe if you're like new to wig and you want to try like a new color or something without spending too much money, I would definitely recommend this one because it is like a little short under $300. It's a little under $100, so that's not too bad. That's also pretty good for a color wig for sure. I really do not have any complaints after wearing this wig for like a whole week. So I think for the review part, that's pretty much it. So definitely I would recommend this wig. I definitely will be checking out this store and seeing what other kind of wigs they have, because if this one is good quality and the price wasn't that bad either, then I definitely want to check out some of their other hair. And then like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be linking this wig and my Amazon storefront for my other wigs too down below in the description. And then also another sad disclaimer that I have for you guys. So if you watched some of my previous videos that I did for Valentine's Day, you'll know that I was having like issue with my camera. The lens got stuck so it wouldn't go back down and I couldn't really record anything. So I took it to the camera shop where I bought that camera to see if they could repair it real quick, and they have to send it to Sony, so it's gonna take from like, they said 4 to 6 weeks. That's not gonna stop me from making videos, but it might slow down the process because I have to make it on my phone. I definitely won't be able to like batch create content like I used to. So usually sometimes I would record like 2 videos in a day and I would drop let's say one the first week and then I would drop the next one the following week after. Content might be a little slow and the quality might not be as good as it used to be, but I'm gonna try my best to keep getting content out to y'all. But that is just something for y'all to look out for. And then I kind of want to do like a little series where I do like wig or hair videos on Wednesday. I can call like Wig Wednesdays or something like that. So let me know what y'all think in the comment below, and also comment like any other hair idea videos that you guys might want to see in the future. Appreciate you guys for sticking with me throughout this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. It might take a minute. I am going to keep it going like I said, so I will just see you guys in my next video.